Hello, this is Mark Jaynes with Rapid Mortgage. We have noticed a recent trend where a lot of self-employed borrowers are having challenges getting approved, mostly by the bigger banks in town. When we look at self-employed borrowers, there's lots of reasons that their tax returns are complicated. They could file as a Schedule C sole proprietor. They could be a multi-member LLC, a partnership, an S Corp, a C Corp. And frankly, a lot of loan officers just don't have the experience and knowledge in order to evaluate those returns correctly. If we get self-employed borrowers' tax returns, their bottom line may only show $30,000 because they don't want to pay any more taxes than they have to. None of us do. But a lot of times there's deductions that we can add back in, like we can add back in depreciation, business use of a car, we can add back in mileage, we can determine that their business pays their auto loan. So there's lots of ways that we can take that $30,000 on bottom line income and maybe qualify them off $70,000 or $80,000 worth of income, which could be the difference in between getting approved or denied. Or in a lot of cases, they just want to buy a $400,000 house and the bank's telling them they only qualify for $250,000. The other thing that we do very regularly is we can evaluate in certain circumstances. We can use 1 year of tax returns instead of 2. So that can make a big difference. If somebody's struggling through COVID, their business was just still kind of bumping along in 21, maybe they showed a loss even that year, but then 2022, they made $100,000. Most of the banks are going to immediately do a 2-year average. Not in every scenario, but in a lot of them, we can look at just 2022 and throw out 2021. So if you have clients that have either been not approved for what they want, they've been denied, even if it was a year ago, we'd love to take a look at them. Even if the bank is right and they don't qualify, they looked at every angle they possibly could, we'll stay in touch with your borrower until the end of 23 and help guide them on how to file their 2023 taxes correctly so they can buy a home next January, February. So maybe we can get them done today. Worst case, we'll work with you and them through next spring and get them ready to be a home buyer in 2024 if they can't do it today. Look forward to working with you.